Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Right. Let's see. Oh shit.
What?
Another blueberry? Oh, yeah.
What? What you got? What in the world?
Nobody's allergic to blueberries, right?
Hell no, I ain't ready to
Bad.
I'm gonna walk on 4 legs so I can eat it. Look here. Ooh, wait.
Oh, this was the blueberry?
Yeah.
Blueberry barbecue sauce.
Yeah, that's my kind of dessert.
It tastes like a Wendy chicken nugget with barbecue sauce and fries.
Everything. The whole ass
All
meal.
in one. Swear to God.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The whole ass meal in there.
Swear to God.
Oh, what? You say like Wendy's? Like
I
Wendy's.
love Wendy's.
I
love Wendy's got the fucking best chicken nuggets.
And they stick
Get 5 pieces for only 99 cents. Only at Wendy's.
to keep it a spicy nugget.
Yeah. I used to have Wendy's menu memorized.
The aroma.
Like the whole menu.
Bro. Ooh. This is what? Ooh.
You are not.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Yo.
I think the blueberry barbecue sauce, there ain't nothing special.
A fucking 10.
Yeah, that ain't special at all. Fuck you.
I'll give something to the birthday boy.
Man, appreciate you, dog.
The birthday boy.
Yo, just don't be calling early after I give you that, man. Come now.
Oh, yeah, you can't throw that out.
This is what you have when you talk shit.
Throw that shit up, dog. We're gonna be fighting. Make you eat. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
That's stupid.
That is insane.
That's some rich shit. He just went rich on it.
That is insane.
I just realized you're using a fork.
Yeah.
Go Cinderella, go Cinderella. Orgasm, blush, lipstick, Gigasilla. Devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer.
Yeah, put the fork down, son.
Put the fucking fork down.